Hey YouTube, it's Aqua. I'm going to show you how to install all Android apps on your Firestick. Alright, so first things first, you got to go to the magnifying glass. You got to hit find. Okay, and then once you hit find, hit the search bar. Alright, type in D and then hit downloader, or just type in downloader. Okay, don't go to this one. Don't go to this one because you will get hacked, but go to this one. Alright. So after that, you're going to hit download. And then once it's finished downloading, we're going to go to the next step. All right, it finished downloading. So you're going to hit open app. All right, it's going to hit you with this warning. Hit OK. All right, go to the left side and hit browser. Okay, now this allows you to go in a browser and download any Android app. Okay, once you download the app, your files are going to show here. All right, so let's say you go to browser. It's probably best for you to clear and then type in Google or Bing, whichever one you prefer. And then once you type in google.com, hit search or hit go, sorry. And then for the most part, you can download APK like stores if you wanted to. I know there's APK Pure, like if you go here, APK Pure. This is something that you can do to download a lot of good applications here. If you go here, download APK Pure, or if you just go to the website here, it's going to show download, right? So as you can see, you're on the website here. There's no well, you're going to get hit with a lot of ads on certain websites because this browser does not have an ad blocker. But if you hit download APK, there you go, it's going to download the APK. And if the APK works, it's going to allow you to install. If it doesn't work, it's not going to let you install. So once you hit this, you're going to see settings. It's going to say unknown apps. We're going to have to go to the settings. You're going to have to enable install unknown apps. And then once you install unknown apps, go from off to on. And then you can go back to the app. And then hit install. And now you're going to have to go over to install. So use the controller. Left, right. Oops, wait. All right. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Make sure it's on install. It's installing. And this is just many of the APKs that you can install, but I'm just showing you a like unofficial one that you can do. And there you go. You have officially installed an Android application. And this is just many that you can install. I'm going to make another video showing how to install Streamio and so on and so forth. So definitely check this out. Let's get it. Let's go. If there's any other video you want me to make, let me know in the comment section. Peace.